Today we're talking about a fun little deck that's all about daily inspiration. These motivational quote cards by Dessie. If you love positivity but find some affirmation decks a bit too fluffy or vague, this one lands a nice sweet spot. Every card features a famous quote that actually means something, from writers, thinkers, artists, and people whose words have stood the test of time. You don't have to interpret anything or guess at meaning. You just flip a card and boom, a classic line that hits the right mood, whether you need courage, comfort, clarity, or a kick in the pants. These feel perfect on your nightstand, in your planner, or by your desk. Just one draw can become a daily moment of calm and focus. Because these are famous quotes, they come with inherent weight, words from people who've lived, learned, or distilled the right insight. That makes them great for journaling prompts, morning routine rituals, or even sharing with friends who need a lift. And the design? Clean and stylish with black on white, or vice versa, with some gold foiling here and there. The cards are thick and relatively easy to shuffle, which feels nice when you interact with them. Whether you're into journaling, mindfulness, or just want one meaningful thought to kickstart your day, these inspirational quote cards are a thoughtful little tool you'll find yourself reaching for. Recommend.